When I was in college, I used to doodle all over my notes everywhere. And when I started dating my now husband, I used to draw stick figures of us holding hands being carried away by a heart balloon. And in honor of Valentine's Day, I created a diffuser blend based off that doodle called Heart Balloon. Let's make it together. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to make natural products with natural ingredients. Turn off distractions, making is healing, and let's get started. Before we dive into ingredients, I just want to make sure that you know we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make your own natural products, which is why we have this amazing subscription box where you can get the ingredients you need to make this recipe sent straight to your door. You can also find these things at simplyearth.com. I'm going to grab my ingredients from Simply Earth's February recipe box. To make this recipe, we're going to be using 5 drops of our unicorn blend. We're also going to be using lemongrass essential oil, amyris, and energy essential oil blend from Simply Earth. From my big bonus box, we're gonna grab this 5 milliliter bottle to help us make a master blend that we can use whenever we want. From your home, you'll wanna grab your diffuser. To make this recipe, I've got Simply Earth's Stone Diffuser here, but you can use whatever diffuser you'd like. I'm going to be adding 5 drops of unicorn essential oil blend, 3 drops of amyris, 1 drop of energy, and 1 drop of lemongrass. Oops. And I've already added some water to my diffuser. I'm going to add the lid and turn it on. What I love most about this diffuser is it's got intermittent mode. So I can turn it on and it'll run for 15 minutes on and off, which I love. I can also adjust the color settings, which is fun. The colors might look funny on camera, but they look good in real life. I love the way this blend smells, so it's always a good idea to test out a diffuser blend before you make a little stock bottle of it. But to make a stock bottle of it, because it smells so good, you're gonna add 50 drops of unicorn, and we'll add 30 drops of amyris, 10 drops of energy, and 10 drops of lemongrass. Once you've got all your oils in there, you'll want to put the lid on your stock bottle and shake it up to get those essential oils mixed in so that it smells really good when you add it to your diffuser. And don't forget to label it. These little bottles, it's easy to forget what's in them. So we want to add our diffuser blend label that comes in your recipe box. And there you go, Heart Balloons Diffuser Blend. To use this little stock bottle of Heart Balloons Diffuser Blend and add a few drops to your diffuser, you can add more or less depending on the size of your diffuser and how strongly you like it to smell. It smells so good. And you can make this too. If you're sick of essential oils gathering dust on the shelf, then make this amazing diffuser blend to make your home smell perfect for a romantic night in. If you want to learn how to use essential oils and natural ingredients to make your own products, then you need to subscribe to Simply Earth's recipe box. I love to see your creations, so if you make this diffuser blend, please take a picture and share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth so we can see it. You'll also be automatically entered into our $5 gift card giveaway. Follow for more natural recipe videos like this one.